All right, guys, pretty much first real time getting to try this bike. I tried it out a little bit yesterday, but this is my first time really trying to ride a 125, so we'll see how it goes. See if I chase Sexton it. This front fender is long. All right, let's go. She turns easy. Florida kid on the screaming bike, baby. Talk about staying in the power band. You got to be in it. You're doing a good job. Keep it up. Keep it up, kid. Yeah, slippery as fuck. Can you help me get out the mud? I think I just blew it up. I think it just blew up. This damn mud. It's just slippery. Yes, sir. 3, 2, 1. I'll buy you a new top end.
What?
I'll buy you a new top end. I think I just blew it.
Oh, damn. Right.
Sorry.
Oh,
thank you.
Okay.
Yo, push me.
Yeah, give me a sec.
Huh? I think I just blew it.
Huh?
I think I just blew it up.
Oh, your bike?
I think so.
Oh, damn.
It happens. We'll pay for a top end.
It's a two-stroke. It's easy.
Yeah.
You're okay.
I'm good. Thank you. I think I just blew it up.
What happened?
It lost all the power in the corner.
Did it?
Yeah, I was on the limiter. I mean, I was on in the RPMs.
Yeah.
Tried to give it some, and just blew out. I'll pay for a top end rebuild.
Oh,
No, fuck no.
no. What happened regardless?
No, fuck that. Braylon, I will beat the money into you. Watch me.
Fight for it.
Stop by my apartment after this. I'm gonna give you cash, bitch.
It's fine. You doing it with the bike that I wouldn't have done on the next lap.
It is what it is, dude. I feel bad, so I'm gonna do it.
It's fine. It's happening.
Well, I'll pay you for it.
You didn't really know. You did it how you should have.
Yeah, I just blew it, dude. I think I just blew the top end on it, honestly.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, I was in the corner, gave it some, went to ease the clutch out, and wow, and just went complete. No, I don't think it's seized. I don't think so.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, kick her over. Yeah.
Yeah, they just watered it. It feels great.
She's walking up.
Is it?
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, I'll pay for the rebuild, dude. No, I'm gonna pay you for it. Screw that. Don't break any. Don't break it more, dude. You're standing on the shift lever. Don't do that. You just don't stand on it. Yeah. Well, let's tear it down.
What time is it right now?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
It's time to pack it up. Yeah. Swing by my apartment. I'll give you some cash and yeah.
We'll worry about it later.
Fuck, man.
No, you're good.